Yeah, welcome again. Yeah, welcome back to the core of HTML. Lesson 3, HTML version. Now it's good to know the version of HTML that you're using, but we just want to briefly talk about HTML version. Now, the first HTML version we have here is 1.0. It was created in 1991. And this HTML was the first standardized version of HTML. And it was created by Tim Berners-Lee. That is in 1991. Yes, it was the first standardized version of HTML, though it has limited functionality. Then the next one we have is HTML 2.0. And this HTML 2.0 was created in the year 1995. And it was created by a group called IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. So they are a working group that's in charge of standard protocol. There's a protocol on the internet. I believe you know that. Like TCP and the rest. So you can go on that to know more about it. Then the features they are in 2.0 is they introduce support for tables, allow better organization of data, and also the concept of forms was introduced, enable user input and interaction with web pages. Yeah, in 2.0, those are the features. Though they have more features, but we are just want to briefly talk about the version of HTML because you can't do much on it. Then the next one is HTML 3.2, and this was created in the year 1997. And the feature is that it has enhanced support for tables, forms, and text formatting. Introduction of new elements like image, maps, applets, and basic support for style sheet. And this was created by W3 School. That is the name of the group that created it. And when we talk about W3 School, the full meaning is World Wide Web Consortium. That is W3C. Capital C. So they have a website. Once press it on Google, you see it. So the World Wide Web Consortium, this is their work. It's the main international standard organization for the World Wide Web, founded in 1994 by Tim Berners-Lee. Yes, the same man that created the HTML 1.0 in 1991, created that group called W3C. And the next version we have is HTML 4.01. No, sorry. HTML 3. Okay, HTML 4.01. My bad. Sorry. It was created in 1991. And in this, it was created also by W3C. And the feature is that it has improved support for multimedia elements like audio and video. Introduction of frames, allowing the division of web page into multiple sections. Expanded support for style sheet and scripting through CSS, cascading style sheet, and JavaScript. So these are the features of HTML 4.0. Then the next one we have, which is the last and is the one that we are going to be using for our HTML. That is HTML 5. It was created in 2014 by the same W3C. So, and you can see it has significant advancement over its predecessor, bringing major changes and new features. Introduce a more semantic approach to markup with elements like header, footer, nav, and article. So it has more features, but like I told you, we just want to briefly talk about the HTML version, just to know a little about it. So if you want to know more about it, you can go on line search for more.